seen as least concern. So there are a total of 42 cat species around the world, and one thing they have in common is their large and beautiful beak. Alright, Mr. Howard, last one. Good catch. Now, Mr. Horn, do you want to stay with me here? Alright, I think she'll go back inside. So, a round of applause for our two candidates, Mr. Horn. Now, since we're already here in Brazil, let's meet Mr. Horn's good friends as we admire our Yellow Crown Amazon Parrots named Lani and Rudy, together with their mentors, Ms. Jayan and Mr. Jake. So, I'll hand you to them for a moment.
Okay, thank you, Mr. J. Again, everyone, this is our Yellow Crown Amazon Parrot named Lani and Rudy. Yellow Crown Amazon Parrot is the most commonly kept Amazon due to its talking ability and playfulness.
That's right. And mimic is the happy sound of what we hear every day.
Can you say hi? They can mimic a different sounds of animals. First is a rooster.
Ati, Ati.
Okay, how about cat? And your least favorite is a dog bark. And also they can mimic a telephone ringing and a whistle. But your telephone. Good, next is a whistle.
And also, Rudy and Lani love to sing, but before sing, we need to have a warm up first.
Okay, let's do the warm up.
La, 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 la.
Next, our first song. Okay, again. Okay, before the second song, let me ask first, who is celebrating their birthdays today or within this month? Okay, hi, happy birthday, and listen carefully because Lani and Rudy will sing a happy birthday song. Everybody sing happy birthday.
Sing nila.
Okay, good. No, again sing happy birthday. Again sing happy birthday. Okay, let's go on. Let's learn sing happy birthday. So everyone, a round of applause for happy birthday,
Alright, so happy birthday to all the celebrants, and thank you Lenny and Rudy, and of course to the mentors. Now, since you already witnessed the skills and talent of